Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to record video at 4K on iPhone. To record your videos at 4K on iPhone, it's very simple and basic to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's go to the settings on my iPhone. Once you get to the settings on your iPhone, the next thing you want to do here, you want to scroll down and look for where we have the camera. As you can see, we have camera here. So I want you to tap on that camera. So let's tap on camera here. So once you tap on camera, it's going to take you to this page. On this page, you want to tap the first thing we have at the top here. As written, we have the record video. Just tap on that record video. Tap on the record video. It is going to show you a bunch of formats that we have. We have the 720p HD at 30 fps. So what we want to do here, just want to select the 4K at 24 fps or the 4K at the 30 fps, depending on what you have, depending on what you want to do with the video, whether you want to post it to your social media places, or you want to edit the video again. No, you want to do some things with it. It depends on what you want. So you just want to select the 4K at 24 or the 4K at 30 or even at the 4K at 60. So guys, once you select this, it is going to, any video you record will be recorded at 4K. So guys, this is how you can actually record the video at 4K on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.